Thutha wa madagitari gwikinya igoti-ini niguo guthikiriria itua ria igoti, mambire gwetetera makienda igoti rimongerere kahinda ga kwaraniria na thirikari, makiuga mitaratara ya gwetha kihonia ni yambiriirie.
Grant us a few more days. I would request for 7 days. We can come back next week on a day like this. I believe by then it may not be necessary even to report anything, but we would have possibly managed to resolve the industrial action.
Riendekithia-ini riao madagitari aya maugite kuoha madagitari ni kuongerera ihingica mihango-ini ya kunina mugomo uria ukoretwo kuo.
Putting a doctor behind bars, my lady, is likely to aggravate the negotiations, mediation that has really advanced.
Na ono thutha wao gukinya mateta mao, mucirithania Helen Wasilwa ndaigana kwenyenya itua riake na athana anene mugwanja a kiama kia madagitari mohwo.
Indeed, they have also found their inability to call off the strike, which they themselves called on. It is this court's finding that there is no sufficient reason why the court should review its order, and therefore this court declines to review its orders sentencing the applicants to 1 month jail term, and the orders of this court will now crystallize. Negotiations may proceed, the Court of Appeal may proceed and make any other determinations on the issue, but you can now start serving your sentences.
Na hau anene aya mohwo fego na maumagario ni maafitha a borithi nginyagia ceceni-ini itiganite kuria matanyitwo guikara gwa kahinda ka mweri umwe. Mwandiki mukaru kiama-ini gia kotu ni oritie mutongoria wa bururi aingirire ngucanio iria ikoretwo kuo, akiuga atongoria a ruhonge rwa urigitani matiraiguana na koguo no hinya kurio gwetha kihonia.
Iko vita katika wizara ya afya kati ya Nicholas Muraguri ambaye ni permanent secretary na Cleopas Mailu. Sasa mwezi kufikia majadiliano fighting in the Ministry of Health.
Atongoria a madagitari kuma kaunti itiganite maugite ni mekwamba hama ceceni-ini iria anene ao megutwarwo niguo kunyitanira nao. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.